Who would have thought that you can use leftover ugali to make some delicious, crispy and crunchy ugali fries? Me. So today I'll be showing you how to make this easy recipe which turns out amazing, and you can surprise your family, make this delicious ugali fries, and the first bite is going to be like, wow, this is so good. In Africa, ugali is enjoyed widely with different names, of course, because we have different countries. For the recipe, you'll need some leftover ugali, and you can check up here or in the description box on how to make ugali from scratch. So I'll start off by cutting my ugali into fries. So I'm going to transfer to my chopping board, and using a knife, I'm going to slice into the leftover ugali. So I'm going to straighten the sides. And this is how your ugali is going to be looking like. Then I'm going to cut my ugali into pieces just like this. This is how the ugali is going to be looking like, and the inside is very soft. So next I'm going to cut into fries. Make sure to cut the ugali into the same size. Transfer to the rest. And once I'm done, it's time to add in some very delicious seasoning to the ugali fries. So I'm going to place my chopping board aside. You're going to place a pan with cooking oil over medium-high flame and wait for around 2 minutes. While the cooking oil is getting ready, we're going to be coating the ugali with some breadcrumbs and egg wash. So I'm going to crack in 2 eggs to a bowl. Add in some seasoning to my breadcrumbs. So I'll add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, salt, toss the breadcrumbs with the spices. Then next we're going to be adding in a little bit of black pepper and salt to your eggs. You need everything to be perfectly seasoned because the ugali is not seasoned at all. Whisk in the seasoning in the eggs. You're going to check if your cooking oil is ready by inserting a toothpick or a skewer. Once you notice bubbling, the oil is ready. So next I'm going to be coating the ugali with some egg wash. So I'll drop in a couple of the ugali, caught with the egg wash, which is going to help bind the breadcrumbs. Make sure all the sides are fully coated. The ugali is very delicate because it's soft. Then next I'm going to pick my ugali and transfer to my breadcrumbs. Let the excess egg wash drip. Coat with breadcrumbs. Carefully drop into the cooking oil. And then I'm going to add in some more very quickly. check on my ugali fries, and this is how the ugali is looking. I love that gorgeous brown color. That means that the ugali fries are ready. So I'm going to use my skimmer, shake off the excess oil, transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel so that they can drip off the excess oil. You're going to repeat with a few more ugali fries, then carefully you're going to place into the cooking oil. Fry for around 30 seconds to 1 minute or until you get that perfect golden brown color. Once you get that perfect color, you're going to just skimmer, shake off the excess oil, and transfer to the rest. Today I have a guest. His name is Steven and he's my brother-in-law. He's going to try out the ugali fries and then he's going to tell you how it's tasting.
Hey, fellas. Yeah, this is my sister-in-law, not even in-law. Your in-law is, she's lying. Today, sisi ni Waluya bana, but we have come across ugali mepimpiwa. First time, ameruchanua. I'll give you an honest review for real. Okay. I tell you, it doesn't even taste like ugali, for real.
Yeah.
Everybody should try this at home, eh?
It's so delicious.
Very delicious.
Yes.
You can't even tell it's ugali. They look like fries to me until she told me it's ugali. I still don't believe it. Hata vile nakula siamini ni ugali.
Yeah, it doesn't look like ugali because we've added in some breadcrumbs and that has added in a little bit of twist to the ugali.
Not a little bit of twist. It's added a lot more than a twist to it. It's pretty different. Hii hata ukikula utaamini ni ugali. Guys, try this at home. You will not regret it. I tell you for sure. You will not regret it. All right.
That is the best review ever.
Yes, best review ever. Try this at home. For sure, you will not regret it. All this is mine, so akunele itabaki. That's how much I like it now. All right. I hope you try it and leave the reviews down there of how you enjoyed the new recipe. Try this at home. Imanena kuacha ugali unatupa asubuhi tuache, si ndio? Kumbe ugali imelala has more value when it is done like this. Man, mbona sikuwa najua hii kitu before?
Now you know.
Now I know, si
Yeah,
ndio?
yeah.
All right. Now you know also. Comment down here how your recipe turned out and take pictures. Let's share in the joy. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
All right.